Is there anything else for non-agenda items from citizen?
Citizen input.
Yeah. Rick?
Mary Heisler, 1407 North Madison Street. I've been made aware that the floods have continued to print false information about city business. And this week's headlines on the front of their page, I'm told, is they've made the leap that this city leadership has turned over the decision-making process for the street overlay project to the city of Amity. Sorry. And can you either share where that leap would have come from, or explain that, or maybe the floods would love to explain how they're misinforming citizens that you've
We're not
done
going to
that?
get into a conversation among the audience tonight, but what is your point is that
Can you
there's a
explain
web-
how they could have
there's a-
even made that
There's a website
leap?
that has information that conveys that we've turned over our
The
overlay
decision-making
authority.
process on the street overlay project has been turned over to
We
the
all
city
got
of
emails
Amity.
on it.
Well, I haven't seen
I
that.
didn't
I
realize.
normally don't read emails from.
Here's the contract document. It's got the city of Amity listed as this owner of the property, or owner of the contract. I'm actually leaving, so, but you can have this, because you're getting
Is this
sign
an
it.
extra?
Anyway, that's on the.
Well, I know I've never signed a contract that turned over the council's authority to another city.
It's signed over to
If this
who?
is, if this is another example of your interpretation of law, I would take it under,
Okay.
take it under. Yeah, I would accept it under those.
It says to
Yeah,
change
no,
the name of the contract holder to Amity, so.
Is that the document that we have? Because when I scanned, I saw the email, and when I, briefly scanned through the documents that we have tonight, I didn't find the city of Amity anywhere. What page is that?
It's page 1, it's special conditions.
Special
Hold on.
conditions?
You know what, we don't need to take,
Well, I think we need to answer this question.
Well, when we get to that, we'll look at it.
yeah,
Well-
we're gonna address the overlay project
Yeah.
here tonight, but we're actually gonna make.
If I'd known that, I would have drove the streets.
Well, I think you've already answered my question. A typo or an oversight in some paperwork does not make that leap that you've turned over this, that they're gonna decide what streets we're gonna overlay. And that's what's being communicated, but that's okay, it's regardless, so.
Well,
Yeah.
I would hope that, if there's gonna be information that's conveying what this is, that the intentions are, that, what the intentions are of the council, and not leaps of misinformation.
The page that I gave you was published on the city website with the contract documents.
Yeah, well, again, I don't, I know
Okay.
no time, but again, I'll
Sure.
have it reviewed for its reality, because I'm not an attorney.
Right. Oh, no, I totally get that. I'm assuming that you would have your attorney look at it anyway if you were gonna sign it.
Is there more?
No.